Do you wanna watch it?
Hola a todos, soy O, and today guys I'm going to show you around Spain, okay? And we will be signing the flag Peace and Unity from ONITED. You ready? Let's go.
Almost 50 million people live in Spain.
There is a king in Spain, Felipe VI.
The capital is Madrid.
It's part of the EU, so they use the euro. We are united.
Didn't care for one. You and I thought I lost all of it, but you washed
that. Marcha un cochinillo.
Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.
Hey, what's up? Today I'm getting a new tattoo, the S of Spain for ONITED.
We are all united.
We are in Spain!
Today, Sergio represents Spain. The goal is to have this flag signed by every country in the world to promote peace and unity, irrespective of colors, religions, physical differences, sexual orientation, gender and age. We should all be united on this planet. If you agree, subscribe and join me discovering the world.
I think that allowing everybody to have access to online education will be the key for a better world. We are all united.
How many people live in Spain? How do we say how are you?
Por favor, sigue a ONITED para un mundo mejor.